Tired of battling dry, frizzy hair that just won't behave? Imagine running your fingers through strands that feel soft, smooth, and full of life. That's exactly what OGX Extra Strength Damage Repair plus Coconut Miracle Oil Conditioner promises. This conditioner is designed to repair and revive your hair, turning rough, coarse locks into silky perfection with every wash. I've tried countless products to tame my frizz and bring back shine, but this conditioner stood out. Packed with coconut oil, vanilla bean extract, and essence of tiare, it's more than just a conditioner. It's a nourishing treatment inspired by nature. The coconut oil deeply hydrates, adding luster and softness, while the unique blend helps calm flyaways and smooth out even the coarsest strands. Plus, the scent, a creamy mix of coconut, white peach, and shea butter, is simply irresistible, making every hair care routine feel like a little luxury. What makes this conditioner even better? It's sulfate-free and paraben-free, so it's gentle on your hair and scalp. You get all the benefits of intense hydration and frizz control without harsh chemicals stripping your hair's natural oils. If you're someone who struggles with dry, coarse, or frizzy hair and wants a reliable solution that actually delivers, this product is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience smoother, shinier hair that feels as good as it smells.